Hi everyone, so welcome to ECS Academy, and I'm very excited today to give you a complete tour to the website of ECS Academy, what we have launched a month ago, right? And you guys have been waiting for this moment when Dheeraj sir is going to give the complete tour to his website, to his startup, that is nothing but EECS Academy startup. Okay, and what is my vision? What is EECS Academy vision? Everything is I'm just going to talk in this video, and you have to watch this video from starting to end. Okay, so that you can get a complete insight of ECS Academy vision and what features we are offering, what are the courses we are offering, each and everything I'm gonna explain you in this video, right? So please stay tuned, subscribe the channel, official YouTube channel of ECS Academy, hit the like button, to like this session, and please share among all the future GATE aspirant or ongoing GATE aspirant, those who are going to write GATE upcoming GATE exams, right, in any branch across. Okay, so this academy is basically born. What was the reason behind that? All these exciting questions that I'm going to answer in this video, right? So first of all, what you have to do here is you have to just type here EECS Academy, right? EECS Academy. Okay, I think EECS. What is EECS? Electrical Engineering and Computer Science, or you can say Electronics, Electrical and Computer Science. Then Academy is quite popular word, right? So EECS Academy, you have to just type in the Google. आपको simply type करना है Google में. I think EECS कोई भी लिख सकता है. And the main motivation behind this academy is to spread EECS across India, right? EECS is quite popular if we talk about international universities. In every international university, you will find the department called EECS. But in India, EECS, departments are not in all the institute, right? So you talk about any college, right? There are few institute where EECS department is there, like Indian Institute of Science, Bangalore, you can say, one of the top university in India, right? So first of all, you have to click on EECS Academy. Then you will find the very first website, that is very first link, that is EECS Academy, excel in GATE with expert coaching, right? And we have also got the LinkedIn page and everything, right? And the YouTube channel here, and all these links you are going to get. Okay, so first of all, what you have to do here is you have to click on the first link of this eecsacademy.in. So our website name is eecsacademy.in. Okay, so the moment you will click on that, it will take, you can say, around couple of seconds to reflect. Okay, now at this moment you are not able to see any tabs, only you are able to see the view view all the courses. Okay, you are able to see the view all the courses. If you want to join EECS Academy, if you want to crack GATE examination, okay, the main purpose of this academy is to help you crack GATE examination and help you get into IITs and IISc, okay, or top NITs and IIITs and so on and so forth. Okay, and mainly the EECS Academy objective is to train you fundamentally for all the subjects. Okay, whatever your engineering background is, whether you are from electrical engineering or electronics engineering or computer science, data science, aerospace engineering, you talk about any branch of engineering, we are training here, right? So only one tab is blinking here, that is view all courses. Okay, you guys can click on that course. You will directly get to see my store, the EECS Academy store. Okay, where all the courses will be available. You guys can directly enroll those courses. I'm not going to talk about that. If you want to see all the tabs, so you have to little bit go down, you have to scroll down. Okay, so the moment you will scroll down here, you will be able to see here, you can see now all the tabs are visible, right? So this is the feature you can see here. We have got home, courses, mentorship, testimonial, contact, our results, and about us, right? So this website has been launched a month ago, okay, couple of months ago, and we are hosting many courses on our website. Okay, so this is the front page of our website, where these are the tabs that you can directly access to. If you click on them, you will directly redirect to those the content that you are looking for, right? So initially I'm gonna start with about us. What is the name of that person who is behind this EECS Academy, okay, and who is a founder of EECS Academy, and what is our vision, why EECS Academy was born, right? So I'm just going to click here. I can't wait, I can't wait for clicking. You see here, you have to just click on about us. You will find here the smiling face of Dheeraj Mishra sir, and this is me only, okay, and giving you a complete tour of this EECS Academy website, okay. So you can meet Mr. Dheeraj Mishra sir, a founder, EECS Academy. So currently I'm working here as a founder as well as lead educator at EECS Academy. I'm leading all the courses. You talk about any branch of engineering, right? So I will be leading, and then all my teachers are going to be leading, okay. All my teachers are going to be teaching here, and all subject matter experts will be solving your doubt, okay. So let me introduce myself. I did my BTech in 2013, okay. I did not mention about BTech because it does not matter now, because it's been 10 to 12 years, right? So I did my BTech in electronics and communication. One decade back, okay, I was just like you, kind of dreaming about engineering. In fact, we were not having any sort of knowledge about engineering. What is engineering? How can we use engineering? What are the things that we do in engineering? How can we keep our hand dirty in engineering? No idea was there, right? Nothing was there. Just I was a school kid, okay. And after that, I did my engineering from the tier 3 college, right? It was not a wonderful college or kind of thing like IIT, NIT, and IIITs or any sort of college. It was a very normal college, and that college was situated in Rewa. Rewa is one of the city in Madhya Pradesh. I think many of you may be familiar with Madhya Pradesh, okay. So I did my engineering from there, and that was the year in 2013, right? And thereafter my journey started, okay. But during my engineering itself, EECS Academy was conceived into my mind, because those days I used to watch circuit and electronics lectures on MIT OCW, and that lecture was basically broadcasted by the department of ECS department at MIT, and the professor name was Professor Anant Agarwal. So from that point of time, ECS was in my mind, and it's been 1 decade almost, right? Okay, ECS Academy got a shape this year, okay. Once I left wherever I have been working so far, I left that and I started pursuing my own dream, okay. I started pursuing my own thing to build, okay. So you can think like that. EECS Academy is now building, right? So now we are building EECS Academy, okay, and it will be always building only, right? So kind of a startup in India. It's like a startup, edtech startup that I have been always dreaming about, okay. Wherever I worked, I always used to look at not only to earn some money over there, to learn something. I used to also think about it like I will be building my own startup one day, right? What was my experience and so on and so forth with all the academy wherever I worked, I'm gonna explain in separate video. In this video I'm just going to tell you the complete tour, right? So as you can see, my MTech in signal processing and machine learning from IIT Bombay. I have also done my MTech in VLSI design. It is going to be a second MTech, you can say, okay, from IIT Bombay. MTech in signal processing and machine learning, and this idea I got to see, this idea I got to have during pandemic, okay. During pandemic I had lot of setbacks in my life. I was jobless as well, right, during pandemic. So I used to practice a lot in mathematics and everything, right, and I was in village, okay, remote village in Rewa. Since then I had a plan that I will be pursuing my masters in signal processing and machine learning from top university in India, whether it will be IISc Bangalore or IIT Bombay. Many students ask me, Dheeraj sir, why you are not going for VLSI design? Why you haven't gone for VLSI design? Yes, that is a good question. So already I've done my MTech in VLSI design, so I was thinking let us change. let us bring some change. And when I'm gonna learn, and if I'm gonna learn something, I'm going to contribute to the society, to you, right? Okay, if I will be good at machine learning, then you guys can prepare, okay, you guys can learn from me, okay, all the mathematics behind machine learning and everything, right? Okay, so this is the brief idea you can see here. My name is Dheeraj Mishra. I'm the founder and lead educator at ECS Academy, 𝐻 in signal processing and machine learning at the IIT Bombay. This will be my second master, okay, it is not going to be a first master. So for over, you can see here my experience as well. For over 12 years, I have lived and bred the engineering education from crowded classroom, whiteboard to virtual engineering teaching screen across India. I've seen firsthand what students truly need to succeed. So I've been working as an offline educator earlier, right? I have also worked as an online educator in different platforms across India, in different top YouTube channels as well, where you might have seen talking about me talking about linear algebra and talking about aptitudes and all. Okay, from the past 1.5 year, I was only into data science and AI as well as computer science. Okay, so I was just mentoring those two branches, but personally I was mentoring for electronics and communication branch. So this year many students got success also. They got into IIT Madras, IIT Kharagpur, and so on and so forth, right? So ECS Academy was not having a proper shape, okay, till 12 year, guys, because I was associated with different institute in India, and nobody is allowed, okay, to start their own academy unless they depart from there. Okay, it can be any reason of departure, right? Okay, so as you can see here, this was my idea. So after teaching thousands of ECS, ECE, EECS and data science student, I kept noticing some of the problems. So those problems I wanted to solve. Okay, so in order to solve those problems, I had only one idea, that I should give a proper shape to ECS Academy, right? Okay, so that I can solve that problem, and ECS content can be accessed by anyone sitting any parts of the country, right? So it can be a boy who is sitting in rural area, or it can be a boy or a girl sitting in urban area. Anybody can learn from us. The courses are quite affordable. You will not find anywhere which is the course that we are offering at this cost. Okay, it is quite low cost course and the high quality content. Okay, the quality cannot be compromised at ECS, okay, because I'm only the leading educator at this moment. Overpriced, what are the challenges that I used to see? Overpriced coaching that focused on memorization and not understanding. Coachings were there, they used to charge a lot wherever I worked, and they were not connecting, in fact, the student and the teacher. Okay, they used to be a bridge, but they used not to connect us. So, and they used to charge a lot. Okay, I have seen many coachings charges a lot, right? And they just teach what they have been teaching from the past 10 years, right? What they have been teaching from the past 10 years, they don't change their pedagogy, right? They don't change their content, the way they deliver, right? They just focus on, you know, the heavy overpriced fees. A generic teaching that did not address individual learning gaps. So let's say there are 100 students, okay, and there will be certainly some learning gaps. If you're not connecting a teacher to the student properly, okay, then the student learning gap will always be there, and that student will not be able to qualify GATE exam, okay, despite he is taking up your courses. Okay, so that challenge I wanted to address, and no proper guidance on applying concept to actual exams. लेट्स से आपने पूरा कोर्स देख लिया है, अब टीचर को आप अलाउ नहीं कर रहे हो. कोचिंग ओनर्स जो होते हैं, दे डोंट अलाउ टीचर्स टू इंटरैक्ट विद द स्टूडेंट. अब स्टूडेंट के माइंड में जो एक्चुअल एग्जाम में प्रॉब्लम कैसे सॉल्व किया जाता है, दैट इज़ नॉट एड्रेस एनी वेयर. यू कैन टॉक अबाउट एनी कोचिंग, राइट, बट वेयर एवर आई वर्कड, आई एम टेलिंग यू दैट, okay, the last mile, the last minute support that the student needed, to crack the GATE examination is nothing but they should know what is the real problem solving technique, how to solve any problem in that stipulated amount of time, in that 3 hours. Okay, so that is why I started ECS Academy, not just another coaching center, but a real mentorship program where we are going to break down the complex topics. You talk about electronics and communication gate papers, so there are subjects like analog circuit. I think engineering mathematics is in all the papers, right? So we are going to break down all the tough concept, okay, into smaller pieces and we'll explain you all, right? Semiconductor devices into simple and relatable concepts. Focus on problem solving, okay, because that what actually gets you a marks, right? And you guys are preparing for the gate examination where the questions will be of different type, the MCQ question, MSQ question, and NET question, and you have to solve any question in very rush, right? So you might commit some mistake also. All these problems are addressed at ECS Academy. Remember how to solve MSQ, how to solve MCQ, how to solve NET, okay? Fine. Provide personal attention. We know every student learn differently. We know that, in fact, in my case, I have been across India. आप कोई भी city की बात करें इंडिया में, only one country, that is India, one of our favorite country from where we belong to. कोई भी city की आप बात करेंगे इंडिया में, you see the map, you look in any direction. Dheeraj sir has gone there and taught, and so I know the dynamics of each and every candidates, the caliber, how they think. I'm talking about those people, those who are studying in tier 3 college, in any government college or in any private college, right? Okay. In fact, I have been mentoring for IIIT students, NIT students, so on and so forth. All kind of students I have been mentoring for. In fact, I have been mentoring for some of the IIT student as well, right? Okay, because of the experience that I gained, okay, from the past 1 decade, right? They have been connecting to me via LinkedIn, via ECS Academy, via YouTube channels. So I got a chance to mentor them as well, right? So this experience is not a one-day experience. It took 1 decade, 10 to 12 years. Okay, remember this point. Anyway, so our classes feel like a learning from a friend who actually cares about your success. We give you practical shortcuts developed from 12 plus year of teaching experience. You get direct access to me. See, I'm a founder and lead educator at ECS Academy, but you have direct access to me. Okay, it may not be the case in other coachings, right? Remember, okay? So that is also one of the very important thing. And I'm also a teacher where I'm mentoring, I'm teaching. Our promises to you when you join ECS, you are not just getting live interactive classes where you can ask anything, the handwritten notes that highlight exactly what matters for the exam, and real exam strategy, not just a textbook theories. And this is a coaching I wish I had when I was the student, okay? I'm proud to offer to you. So I think you can understand now this, you can go through here, right? So this is all about the EECS Academy mission. So main reason is EECS Academy was born to spread EECS across India, right? सबको EECS के बारे में पता चलना चाहिए, and what it really offers to you, right? If you prepare gate examination with us, right? So what you're going to get is amazing, right? You will be able to get into IITs, ISC, NITs, IIITs, and you can contribute to the ongoing technology, ongoing research that all the IITs and ISC carries, right? So please remember this, ठीक है? तो ये हमारा idea था. We wanted to solve many problems. See, whenever we have some startup idea, we want to solve some problem, okay, societal problems, right? So the first problem was the overpriced, right? So we are keeping very low price courses, the kind of attention that you guys need to be able to solve your doubt. That is second thing. There should not be any gap between a teacher and the students, okay? There should not be any learning gap that should be left before the examination. We should be able to address all the learning gaps that you have, okay, during the course of preparation. And I don't want you to remain silent. I want you always be interactive with the leading educators, okay? And there should not be any phobia or fear to interact with us, right? Okay. So without further ado, let me get back. So this was all about ECS. I will talk about more about ECS, okay, later. And remember, our slogan is, it is not a coaching, it is a commitment. All right, then you can click on the courses, you will find all our live courses. So ECS Academy is basically a kind of platform where we offer only live classes, right? From the next year we might offer whatever live classes gets recorded, we might offer as a recorded classes as well, but at this moment we are teaching everything on live. Okay, so live in the sense that where you can directly interact with the faculty. Okay, and these are our courses. They have got some different name through which you guys can directly search in the Google, okay, or in our website as well, right? So Pragati, Samas, Chintan, these are our batches. So Pragati is most popular batch for electronics and communication. The enrollment is going on, you guys can enroll it. Few students have showed their interest to be a part of ECS Academy and they want to excel in GATE exam, right? Data science batch, Chintan batch for mathematics, exclusive batch for all the branches. Okay. And then you guys can see here all the highlights and the courses, 8,000, 8,000, 3,000 mathematics course. Okay, Naveen batch, we have got Naveen batch computer science ke liye, but it is not at launched, it is coming soon very shortly. Okay, and Drishti batch, yeah, it has got ended also now, because now the post gate guidance is very near to end, right? So this year I have guided almost more than 100 people in our enrolled post gate, right? And I have assisted many students, more than 1,000 students without any enrollment as well, remember. And I also met them in different IITs, because this year I was physically attending all sort of process that you know, after GATE examination, if somebody has got a low score, should experience. So I was also going for all the process, but I was not interested for that, like enrolling in those courses. But yes, I used to attend so that I can contribute to many of my students, those who are having very low score. Okay, so how can they pave the way to IITs and ISC, right? So I think I've seen in my group student having 420 score also got IIT Delhi in electric vehicle, right? So this is one of the great achievement for myself as well, because once upon a time one of my students said, he is currently in IIT Kanpur, he said that, Dheeraj sir, if you are helping to million of students, if you are helping to thousands of students, certainly God is going to give help you. So this year, you see what miracle happens to me. I launched EECS Academy and my second master is going to be started from IIT Bombay, that is in signal processing and machine learning, right? So you can see the kind of experience, the kind of excitement that I carry moving forward, mentoring thousands of students across India, right? And the kind of happiness and the kind of smiles just because of your success. Okay. Anyway, so let me move ahead. So we have got also Afsar batch where you know, a GATE topper Arpit, he's having 380 rank. Okay, he's a key guy behind this website as well. Let me address this. Okay, and I'm always grateful to him. He has given a proper shape to ECS Academy website, to my dream, passion and startup. And I also wanted to create my own funnel and platform where I can teach freely. Nobody should be able to bother us or put any sort of barrier in my planning, right? Okay, so I can teach anything, anytime, anywhere, from anywhere, right? I can sit, go to Himalaya, sit there. Only I should be having an internet and I will be just sitting and teaching you, right? So this is now my own academy, my own platform, where a lot of liberty, the degree of freedom I can say there is, okay, which I never found in any coaching center wherever I worked. There were always, you know, a kind of constraint that we can't do these things, right? Okay, we can't teach this, we can't do that. Okay, those things I will be discussing in separate video. Okay, so you can see, so Afsar is there, you have great Afsar, you guys can directly you know, reach out to us if you want a free guidance in computer science at this moment. Okay, fine. Now coming to this, so you guys can directly, so these are the statistics you can see here. So many students that I have guided, lakhs of students I have guided. Okay, so you can see here the Arpit, he is a CS and IT GATE topper, and currently he is going to pursue his masters in computer science from IIT Kanpur. His rank is 380 in 2025. Okay, so he is a part of ECS Academy. I would like to say here. Okay, and we are very shortly going to launch. In fact, I have launched also, and very shortly going to launch PYQ video course for computer science. Okay, that will be our first course. Okay, where I and Pratik will be I and Arpit, okay, will be will be doing something here, right? So please ignore that name that I spoke, okay, that time. Okay, that was by mistake. So Arpit Yadav, okay, so Arpit Yadav, he's having 380 rank. He is from M.Tech in computer science from IIT Kanpur. Currently he will be there, and his expertise you can see here. You can directly join his free G-Meet session at this moment, and he's also conducting some one-on-one paid session if you want to directly join. Okay, chalo. So these are the mentorship and testimonial में आप click कर सकते हैं. तो these are some past result. Pransu Tiwari, his rank was 55, and he was from ECS Academy live classroom program directly, right? So he got 55 rank under the guidance of me. I taught him analog circuit, mathematics, and so on and so forth. And you can see here, okay, Ankur Garg and Amit Kesari. He's currently working in one of the biggest government organization. I can't tell that name of that organization, right? But because we can't reveal, that is confidential. And okay, and that guy has really been a very key student at ECS Academy, and he was a full-time. And this year I'm gonna update many other students. 2025 success, right? Because we have also guided many students for post-gate guidance, as well as they have been a part of ECS in live classroom program. So I have updated those things on LinkedIn. You guys can go and check out. Okay, chalo. So if you want to get in touch, so you guys can directly get in touch. This is the number of ECS, the official number. You guys can chat on WhatsApp also. You directly talk on WhatsApp. WhatsApp में आप directly आ सकते हैं, ठीक है, 7005791628 में, ठीक है. Then what you can do here is, if you want to work as well, like if somebody wants to work, they can also directly reach out to us. So you guys can check our Instagram and LinkedIn page. Okay, we are also on X, right? You guys can directly mail us if you have any sort of query, support@ecsacademy.in. And these are the batches that we are currently running: ECS Academy GATE 2026, Data Science, Mathematics, CSIT, Post-GATE Guidance. Okay, and if you have some sort of message, you guys can also type here and send us if you want to get in touch. और अगर आप हमारा कोर्स डायरेक्टली देखना चाहते हैं, मतलब if you want to enroll to our courses, so you have to just click on view all the courses. तो आपको यहाँ पर postgate.in करके हमारा बैकग्राउंड आएगा, postgate.in. Okay, postgate.in also is our own is a part of ECS Academy, where I am also a founder for that, right? I founded this postgate.in website this year itself, for catering, for helping postgate students. So our entire course is going to be on this website. Remember, paid courses you can find here, all these paid courses. We have got this Chintan batch, Samarth. This is the PYQ master course. Okay, PYQ Sangram course for GATE CS and IT. Very shortly we are going to launch, and the course price is going to be 4,000 rupees. Okay, and Pragati batch. Okay, so these are the courses. Directly you will click on that, and you guys can directly join. If I go, if I want to show you that, yes. So Pragati batch में आप click करोगे तो आपको सारी चीजें यहाँ पता चल जाएंगी क्या कैसा है, ठीक है. तो आपको click करना है, and you will directly get access to our courses, ठीक है. So I think these are the key features. Okay, so in our website, few things are there. You guys can directly attend our live classes. After the live classes, recorded session will be there. Okay, after the live classes, recorded session will be there, and so many things. And हाँ, हमारे कोर्स में जो भी अभी पार्ट बनेगा, they will be all having always the course access, right? Unless they get success in their GATE exam. Okay, they can prepare for ISRO exam using these courses, okay, and they can become expert, right? Okay, and many other opportunities are there. So our courses are going to be live. After the live, you guys can watch the recorded, right? And there will be doubt solving support in our WhatsApp group. A dedicated paid WhatsApp group is there where our subject matter expert, in fact Devans at this moment is helping all the EECS Academy students, okay, so prompt, right? He is so prompt answering the question. Many students have weakness also, right? Okay, so and the regular feedback is taken care of, personal attention is given by me, okay. So please, if you want to get success in GATE exam, if you want to be a part of ECS Academy journey, okay, if you want to also get featured in ECS Academy vision, और आप धीरज सर का सपोर्ट करना चाहते हैं, क्योंकि ये हमारा एज अ टीचर पहला प्लेटफॉर्म है विच आई हैव लॉन्च्ड. बहुत बड़ी स्टोरी इसके पीछे है. बस मैं आपको एक टूर देना चाहता था, वो टूर मैंने दे दिया है, कंप्लीट टूर, राइट. आई होप यू माइट हैव एंजॉयड. आप लोग इस सेशन को शेयर भी कर सकते हैं, एंड यू गाइज कैन लेट अस नो इन द कमेंट बॉक्स हाउ इज़ द वेबसाइट एंड थिंग्स लाइक दैट, ओके. एंड आप शेयर भी कर सकते हैं बहुत सारे बच्चों के बीच में, ठीक है, अपने जूनियर्स के बीच में, जितने भी कॉलेज हैं वहाँ पर आप शेयर कर सकते हो. एंड वी आर ऑफरिंग एट वेरी अफोर्डेबल कॉस्ट, ठीक है. एंड इन फैक्ट वी विल आल्सो स्टार्ट विजिटिंग टू डिफरेंट कॉलेजेस. We will set up a meeting and conduct some seminar also. We will start from Mumbai and Navi Mumbai, because at this moment I am in Mumbai at IIT Bombay. So and then I will also start conducting our seminars and kind of set up a meeting with all different colleges, right, in the Madhya Pradesh, okay, and across India, right, in Delhi, UP, so many colleges, okay. So this is our idea. We want to basically contribute to your success, and I have already contributed many times. Many students have got success. Now it is your turn where you can be a part of ECS and you can also get success, okay, and you can also get direct support from the research. Thank you guys, and we shall catch up very shortly in different video, okay. Subscribe the channel and hit the like button, and please join our courses, okay, if you want to prepare for GATE exam, right, GATE 2026, 2027 and future GATE, right. If you want to learn ECS, if you want to learn mathematics, मशीन लर्निंग, डेटा साइंसेस, सब सारी चीज़ें यहाँ पर है. कंप्यूटर साइंस के कोई भी प्रोजेक्ट अगर आप हमसे करना चाहते हैं हमारे साथ, आई हैव द टीम. वी आर गोइंग टू लॉन्च मैनी थिंग्स, राइट. आप बस कोर्स का पार्ट बनिए एंड यू विल बी हैविंग अ कंप्लीट एक्सेस टू ऑल अदर कोर्सेज एज वेल, ठीक है. थैंक यू for watching this video, and it was a really great day for me, and God has given me this opportunity to be able to tell you, give you a complete tour of ECS Academy website, okay. And thank you, and keep learning and keep smiling and keep your hand dirty building something for India. Thank you.